Rather than Miss Packy the Goom, but to 2 years.
And then, as I've done, crown me, cousin, maybe I'm in Yassam. Dear gay Yemuni Pemono. A cannot grandson as I made it. What's it say? I scan. Say not about me. 1 million. 1 million so mood. My kind of project. And then answer me what? And
then answer.
And then answer should be Abena be yen or get to one.
Go to her.
Tot more chemo beer. Ubianya tramo 2.
Tramo. A chance.
A petition now, Chechi.
This is cannot be bought or the book of ye.
Ye be sounds on yan or knows who or fan or dem. I
say, Ulumaisica.
Ulumaisica.
This is not my wife.
Can you sit down?
No. Why are you so moody? What's bothering you? I thought, say, we have solved this. We have talked about this, so why this?
I know Sister Baha.
She came here.
Yeah.
And what happened?
No, I thought, say, me buy a wakachu and semaba. I didn't know she wasn't aware, and the way she acted, trust me.
She did what?
She was asking Daina who is sitting down, like she has never saw me before, like she meeting a total stranger. Honey, I was so down, and it's not her fault, I understand, but
I don't want you to be talking much. Just calm down.
Aye.
Ejebe misika.
Na mi bisansa Abena unya sika bi se da unya no wen. Ni na nko wie se wa usika.
Mi misika no. E na ko hwe no de ko boy. E ko to apetehye. E na munyina mo no moyi.
Misro e manente se on se ma beka bibi se.
O de menka. No ba me di na tempa.
Fama na we na menya fast na. Me de kabina me.
O de me da se nya me njira se.
Obini.
Me da se me misika. A 30 million committees come me de ko boy kunafo e send ko to fa treza no e no de abana mo de ba ko hwie
we ni maka wie ntino wo de mame ya ndi a chire wo kan wasem kra
de wa heno no
ai 1 million
1 million ndu be ji 1 million we jimi papa wate krachi krachi se wa jimi mu nya me de be ye wo no obi abaya de sika ba wo to tramo na wo so waje na wo no mi donya ko pomo nyina mo bedem
nti wo party so mo first mama no enye mama men ye wa use oba no we
o de bo me na hwe ade se wa ndem
se wie obi ani fia
o se
wonu se wie obi ani fia
obi ani a
metimi abu kuma san do akoto dem mo
o se ibo TV camera no e bi na bo asia ya sa Abena me ntimi mfasi kan to dem me ntimi mfa nko bank me ntimi nya hwere se me ya aduma de ma no o baba beto me ha what is it mami 1 million.
She's my sister, and when I talk she will listen. I wouldn't watch my sister just to disrespect you. You get it?
And it's not about disrespecting, you know. What I did was wrong.
No, you did nothing wrong. We did it. We made it. And we got to solve our own issue. No more third person. So I'll talk to her. Say next time I'll be back on my best idea. She wouldn't see me. No, please, don't let it drop. I don't want to say this. I hate to see your tears. No, like, no. Listen. No.
Come on, my house girl. No. And she was like, why not to wait?
It's okay.
It's okay.
And I promise you, sir, me and she say BBC in Sibiu. she wasn't aware, say, oh, Hanum. So that's it. Because right now, I don't need any family member, I don't need any friend. We need ourselves.
Okay.
So please, just be cool.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I want you to cheer up.
Sure.
I'm here for you.
Sure, I have you. And I'm okay.
We have ourselves, yeah? Come on, let's go to bed. No, let's go to bed. No. Okay, let's go to bed. Come on. Brother, I don't want you to be thinking about anything, okay?
I love you.
I love you. I miss you.
I miss you more.
I miss you. Look at you.
Thank you, my love.
Not together. Are you gonna give me something?
Bruh. I mean, how can you do this?
How can I do what?
I don't know what's that for, but it's not about nephew.
I'm forgetting she's my wife. And you divorce her.
And you did not even bother to tell me. To let me even know. So, oh, Confon it not about nephew. Oh, Confon it back. Yes, I was asking you, I was telling you, I wanted you to go and take her back. Me na me penisa, but at least you should have let me know.
Must you know everything that happened in my life?
Exactly, I have to know because me I'm your only sister. I have to know. And besides, what chinimwa, I'm a man, I found a rough, be another rough, and be another.
Montana.
Ghetto boys in Neda, Abrecho for boys in Neda, Ghana boys in Neda. Alright.
You are my sister and I love you a lot. My name your first and last are about that word. So Obiane me yereda. We made mistake. Me do a cheat. I can find different girls. I can and some dear nyoma hunya de ehia.
Who di me machi?
Montana.
Rock can say me because you
me sometimes oh yeah dear nam the mania to say we ye minia. And can oh any ordinary person be a can they be happy in life my company.
Brown to me I'm just telling you the fact. You accept it. I sanity. What I say? Eti senka yewu e na me be ma foforo bi te ana tinka be ma no me makọ wiema na be ma no ababaka be fama ka kwanka be ma no so wajimi
Montana.
Don't do that, bro. Me.
See me.
There be so we yes as ten as obebo me.
The me mbo but the make a choice ni say ma worry. Ana untimi make decisions and the emma me.
I'm making
it make a choice me yere no o ya the tante why den I value her. Intimate patrol. Stay away from my wife.
Is it so about for or about tenacity
forever?
Oh, this can't be possible.
Forever.
Bro, would you say because we are wobbling and also we are testing in our pregnancy test every test.
I won't do
you can't
test.
Do that. Don't come and don't get sick and come you.
Na me.
I saw what last week you wanted to travel, so what could you be?
Montana, you are warned.
Stop warning me. I'm telling you the truth. Stop warning me. Me na me person with the neighbor. Me na me person with the neighbor. But not this way.
If you think, say, because of my wife, you can't step your foot out of my house, and don't ever try it. And all disrespecting her, I swear, me boo. And I'm a try. So, over me feel now about disrespecting my wife, I'll beat you mercilessly.
Bruh, one can, sir.
Try me and see.
Hey, that's how could I you why I said gato.
And I'm saying, try me and see.
Hey, bruh. In fact, you're trying to move through one. I just obey get to. Who could I you as a ghetto life and about? I don't understand you. Who be boom me?
Only maybe a tete.
I know, but
yeah, as I say, I know, but be careful with me.
Me can't some I'm telling you that Fabra Jai saw been by me no. It's who you into by woman.
Of course.
Family comes first though. Family comes first though, bruh.
Oh dear. Bonya me mpa se o de tene nguso na ebanya mbrem sa 200 million 100 million am we o ya oka so be ba benya me so me hwe me family go and build your own family
bra no okay kasa de na me man woda I'm telling you okay kasa me man woda what are you telling me
asem na waka
bra okay kasa me
obeyi anu an fi ana court try me
so kan cham say 100 million to 200 million no for
e de me do be ko ekrum me do be ko ohene no asem na woka no
wo recording my can be a chum.
When I hear me ana.
Me you say. Don't do that. You can't some chow. Don't. Evidence you was street move and tell me move boom bia you street. You was street aka sabe akola na. We are now
say what it. One na saba. I'll show you where the power lies.
Where you di machi a obe we any.
And mama do send number here. All because of say and mama na me brother me brother mo de na mo. That's what you say. Anka unya no say abroche for me maneba. Oni o matnase na oni o mabobra o this and that. Oh there be mabobra. Oh there be me bra we uni we. En sama bufuo.
Hey, your body there ya odi. Your body.
Ya also the aye media. Ya also the aye media.
Hey. There ya also there.
Painful.
That's all cut that you
honey, baby, my name's Saudom, you mean Kwa, Dofopa, yeah, baby.
Jordan.
Then,
Mpacho here.
first time I want to say my
Mpacho bimro so.
see first time I want to say my ba.
Okay, sorry. Honey.
I didn't honey.
Hey.
Naamuney.
Naamuney.
Mpacho, me go inside.
Sit down.
Stella, let her go. Man, I'm going to come. Why?
I'll call him in a jiffy, eh? Naamuney.
Stella.
Listen, we used to be best of friends before she came in. Naamuney, frankly speaking, I can't hate my wife just to love you. You get it? Naamuney, forget about everything that has happened. I know say you are fighting for your brother. The kind of attitude that I will portray on it doesn't sound. Ebasana still no deal. Nipa na yam from son no. I did it. She did it. We all made mistakes. We have talked about this, so why this now?
Yeah, no colasa. Wife issue you buy. Ya panacho bia na ne kasa bia. Wa muye. And now if you're with team no man never ever kasa be say first no. I won't do that shit anymore. You know what kasa na so one tears na so WhatsApp back stana. Me waste me energy on so be mo. No, me kusa.
Listen, right now no.
Because of you think so boy.
Very good. Naamuney, because of me. Why the say brother e ma onia? Naamuney, na because of me na assemblation na try to explain things to you. Naamuney, forget about it. She's a woman and the way be a when. So why are you doing this, brother? Huh? Please. Let all be one. Not the episode achieve near achieve. The way I now see Louisa Efano, I know say she has hurt you. Let me call her here. Then we settle everything. Because me be a program about because of seminar Bekono County, I can't go. Program about I need you. Obe County, be a meeting there. I can't go. Please. Huh?
I'm okay.
No, me per se me clear be off here. Not that back and forth and that kind of attitude because I know you. I know how you are. What they are saying show more in front of the person now be out near set. I know say it's already gone. Please let me call her. Then we do what we got to do. You are a man. And anything you want you compound. Once a man be to remember your many asem.
Got you.
You get it? You always got to be a cat man. Don't be a dog woman. Let me call her. Louisa. Louisa.
Honey.
Please come. Come and have a seat. Louisa. Me know me no name said Naamuney not dofa. But issue we see now about winning consistently now. I said, Nyoma Anshiranye, you know, or holding something in his heart. And me say, be a settle right now. When he came, no, he versed. I know say, or kasa home in a harsh way. Oba them when you know mood swing it. But I mean, per se, me wasting my time. I'm not suspecting baby. in front of Naamuney, I've let Naamuney know, say, Asemsia, or your madam for your married. Mama 90%, Mama not 10%. I'm not being hypocrite. I'm facing the reality here. Intimacy, sir.
What want to say?
Naamuney.
No.
Listen, forget about it.
No, what want to say?
She's my wife.
Oh, stand up. I'm not talking about
90%.
wife. What want to say?
No, Naamuney.
I'm very sorry. Say, Muba menim on several occasions now. Me turning him down. I'm very sorry. Me nipa and nipa na young from so. If I shall find a place in your heart to forgive me.
I don't have any problem with you. You can sit down. Have a seat.
He says, have a seat.
Have a seat.
My brother, let bygone be bygone.
Alright, I got you, bro. I don't have any problem. No.
Let's go outside. Mommy, I'm going to pay Bindi. That's the case. Let's go.
I just want to be home.
Well, let's go.
No.
Let's go, okay?
Couples. Hey, couples, let's go. Let's go, brother. Let's go. Daina, man. Daina, come here. Come here.
Oh, I believe button fry. I believe butter so dear. In the heart with only one. In all only when. I believe button fry. I say, you made me like this. You made me like that. I swallow it to God, there is so much that. I say, baby, anyone who like this, anyone who like that, I swallow it to God, there is the.
Daina, come here. Come. The fridge is empty. I want to take water. What is this? How can I take this? What are you doing here? No. What are you doing here?
I said to go and buy some.
No. Daina, you are in this house. You know that there is nothing inside the fridge. I'm thirsty right now. I need to get something.
Have you told Madame before?
Have I told Madame before?
Have you told Madame before?
You told Madame that
said
what?
That the fridge is empty.
So if the fridge is empty now, what catch Madame? Now Madame said, what should you do?
Sorry.
No. Sorry about what?
Sorry, boss.
So right now, no, ebia me here so dia ebina right now. What should you want me to take this?
Sorry. I'm sorry, please.
You better be.
Thank you so much.
I don't want this again.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Fine. I need some orange juice with how do you call it? Prekese.
Okay.
So there's now the ginger kakran in the money afro. Now the icing there. Okay.
Boss.
Is there any problem?
Boss.
Yes.
And then maybe hammy. Once I'm in what's not.
Yeah.
I'm not service me a penny.
Yeah.
So never be cost not send them first time I catch you.
It's true.
So the Obusian phone Atadwe mokeke cancer found. Yeah, says the intimacy madam. Na madam akobwa shawo. Oboy dramine na depend. Omoka sana me home it.
No. What you are saying, I don't get it. It seems you are beating around the bush. You are moving faster. Just relax and talk to me. What are you saying? What kind of?
I don't beating around the bush.
But what are you saying?
I'm saying that me say so the omo kan one something sebi boss oni me nyansa na de nto asa kwaje madam akobo ahyawo last say kwa down for the kura ka bi ana Atadwe so aka ana madam unua no so aka esa na me ho meti
Basa na how so also what you saying, let me know.
Also come na madam say madam so me penasem.
Okay.
Me penasem pa so wanya de.
Okay.
So it's about me ko ba bi ko bo ahyawo sa na esa nefe.
You know, like if I should be your brother or your son. That means a bad woman or something. Daina, have you gotten married before? And you know the consequences in somebody jumping in somebody's married, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I have no problem about what you said. You have expressed what is within you.
Your pain is my pain.
I love it. So do you know what I'm going to do? I wouldn't talk. My wife has gone out. When she come back, I'll call you and Atadwe. Mummy and Nia Tinahanum, Nadia Mokano, Semeshene Tosuma then.
Debbie, no, listen, Daina, no.